Hey guys, Assalamualaikum. My name is VirusKiste and we are back with another video. Alright guys, today I will show you some parts of hologram video. But the question is, what is hologram video? The hologram is just like a projector. You guys can see the art on my hand and it looks like a hologram video, but in reality it's not. It's a fake hologram video. So today I will show you a real hologram video. So before we start our video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. So let's get started. Alright guys, as you guys can see, this is a piece of plastic in my hand and we made this thing from Coca-Cola bottle. You guys can see, and you guys can call it hologram projector. Can't believe it, right? So let me show you how it's worked. Alright guys, now I will show you some hologram video, but first turn off all the lights in this room. Okay. So alright guys, let's start the night show.
We use this channel video for making hologram video, channel link in description.
So alright guys, now you guys can see our art, our home. How amazing guys, right? It's floating. I'm touching. Now a male or female dancing. And now a ring. 2 rings, I mean. Diamond rings. Now you guys can see sky shot, I mean fireworks. Awesome fireworks. So now you see a hummingbird. You guys see a fish, a beautiful sea fish. Now you see a jellyfish. Now you see a shark. Now you see a golden jellyfish. I love. So alright guys, I'm so happy it's worked. Our projector properly worked. So yeah, this is the video. I hope you guys liked it. So if you guys enjoy this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. So this is Lord of Experiment. My name is VirusKiste and I will catch you in the next video. So tata, bye bye.